These Gooey Snickers Brownies are an easy way to take this favourite to the next level. Start by preheating the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Then grease a 20 centimetre square cake pan and line the base and sides with baking paper, allowing the sides to overhang like so. Next, add the butter and chocolate to a medium saucepan. Place the pan over low heat and stir to combine. Continue to cook, stirring for 5 minutes or until the mixture is smooth. Then set aside for 5 minutes to cool slightly. Add the sugar and stir to combine. Stir in the eggs until well combined. Then add the flour, cocoa powder and sour cream, stirring to combine. Finally chop the Snickers bars and stir 3/4 of it into the brownie batter. Spoon the batter into the prepared pan and smooth the surface. Sprinkle over the remaining pieces of Snickers. Bake the brownies for 30 to 35 minutes or until a skewer inserted in the centre comes out clean. Set aside in the pan to cool slightly, then remove it from the pan and cut into pieces. Serve the brownie warm or at room temperature. Loaded with chunks of nutty caramel, these fudgy brownies are hard to resist.